We only have one Earth, and we're growing as a community and as a nation and as a world.
Moab gets visited by millions of people, so we have the opportunity to lead by example and bring together a community that is thriving.
If we're going to engage in recreational tourism as a business, it needs to be sustainable. Sustainability has always been top of mind in our design work here. The most important thing we've done is use great care in our new construction to build buildings that are very highly energy efficient.
We're trying to give back to the community, and supporting people who support local is where it's at.
Everything on the menu, I continued to look with new eyes every time we reprinted, and was like, okay, how can we start to make our circle here to more locally? So we try and use locally sourced fruit, vegetables, proteins, tinctures, products whenever we can.
Whatever we can get that's really good here in Moab, we're going to get it.
Moab is a very unique destination. People understand that Moab equates to outdoor recreation. And so the numbers of visitors here have been increasing. From a business model and being in a tourist town, it's a good thing. The issues are making sure that everybody that comes here loves the land and cherishes the land and are basically good stewards when they're here. Meaning just take care of it like it was your own backyard. And imagine that your kids are going to come here and perhaps their kids, and give them the same experience you had of a pristine, beautiful landscape for now and forever.
The reason people come to a place like Moab from all over the world is to see natural beauty that they cannot find in other places, or that is unique to Moab. And so for us to protect that, it should be the highest value, because that's what's going to sustain the business that we're in.
I'd say looking at Moab as being an isolated community and a small community is a short statement. We're actually a worldwide community. We're seeing tourists come in from around the world. So we're meeting those challenges of a high flux tourist base head on. And we're meeting those with great accomplishments. So we're not the tiny little community that's been left behind. We're the little community that's going to lead the way.